Let's be honest. For the first few months, coding feels like trying to assemble IKEA furniture in the dark, while the instructions are written in ancient Greek. You're stuck in syntax purgatory, fighting missing semicolons and fighting the urge to throw your laptop out the window. But then, something shifts. You hit a plateau where the frustration vanishes and the fun begins. Most people think the secret is learning a specific language like Python or Rust. They're wrong. The moment coding becomes fun isn't when you memorize the syntax. It's when you master mental modeling. See, beginners focus on what to type. Masters focus on how data flows. When you master mental modeling, you stop seeing code as lines of text and start seeing it as a system of pipes. Think about it. Every program, from a simple calculator to a global social network, only does three things. It takes something in called input. It changes it. It spits it out, which is output. Once you can visualize how a piece of data moves from a button click, through a function, and into a database, the syntax becomes secondary. You're no longer a translator struggling with grammar, you're an architect building a machine. The second part of this mastery? Decomposition. Professional developers aren't smarter than you, they just know how to make problems smaller. If you try to build an app, you'll freeze. But if you build a login button, then build a text field, then connect them. Suddenly, the mountain becomes a staircase. This is where the fun kicks in. It's the dopamine loop. When you solve a tiny problem every 10 minutes instead of a giant problem every 3 days, your brain starts craving the work. You enter the flow state, that magical zone where 3 hours feel like 20 minutes. So, how do you get there? Stop chasing tutorial hell. Instead of watching another how to code video, pick a boring task in your life and try to map it out. How would you explain making a sandwich to a robot? What are the variables? Bread, ham, mayo, what's the conditional logic? If bread equals toasted, then add crunch. When you start seeing the world through these logical structures, the language you use, be it JavaScript, C++, or Go, is just a tool. It's like being a writer. Once you have a story to tell, the pen doesn't matter. Master the flow of data. Master the art of breaking things down. Once you do, you aren't just coding anymore. You're playing a high-stakes puzzle game where the rewards are real-world solutions. Stop memorizing. Start visualizing. That's when the frustration ends and the obsession begins. If you're currently stuck in the frustration phase, drop a comment below with the one concept that's tripping you up. Let's break it down together. Don't forget to hit subscribe for more ways to level up your dev game. Now go build something cool.